MicroArc Ultra Thin Track Installation Guide. First, gently nudge and remove the side strips from the track. Peel off protective film. If the section is extremely long, default connectors are provided. Then insert the connector into the joint between two track sections. Ensure the connector is centered within the joint. Secure the connector by tightening the screws. When tightening the second screw, press the track sections firmly together to minimize any gap at the joint. When installing the sealing cover, pay attention to the gasket and tighten the screw. Install the pulley. Install second end cap. Smooth connection without lagging. Mark depth, must exceed 2 cm. Align the track in position and mark the wall through its pre-drilled screw holes. Drill holes and insert suitable wall plugs. Then fix it with screws. Attach side strip. Hook the curtain onto the gliders. Installation complete.